Hello people, after so long I'm recording a video at home, and unlike my other videos where I'm speaking about places and books and all, in this particular video it's like I want to show you my room, like the room I grew up in. I know it might seem vague, but I think these things are also important besides just constantly only speaking about restaurants and books and all of that, movies. So yeah, so people, this particular cupboard, I mean, take a look at it. This cupboard, I was fortunate enough to buy it, just solely from the royalty of one of my books. Like, look at me speaking like a established author, one of my books, but yeah, seriously. So it's a very impressive cupboard, at least I love it. And take a look at this. It's my room, and this little book rack here is something that my little sister, now she's in the States, so this was her little book rack. My book rack is in the other room. I mean, in terms of, yeah, the books that are here are the kind of books that my little sister likes reading, really. And it's mostly, there's a lot of fiction. I like a lot of self-help, and but of course now both us sisters, we are totally into spirituality, like in terms of Sadhguru's writings and all. But yeah, it's already quite a long video, but take a look at this. This is the room. So yeah, normally I don't make such long videos, but I felt after long, I wanted to give you all a peek into my room. I mean, so here it is. It's almost a 2-minute long video, but I'm so happy each time I come back home. Life is good. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.